Good day, my profound viewers. This is Emmi'Olarri Global Technology again. In this short video, I'm going to make it as brief as possible. I want to show to us what's your minimum withdrawal, where you mine up to that you'll be able to withdraw. As you can see my account now, presently now this is my mining server. And you can see the speed is running presently is fluctuating between 300 to 400. I have not enabled my cloud boost, so I'm going to click on my cloud boost now, which is 2 times boost. Then you see it increase to 700. It will now be fluctuating between 700 800. So I'm enabling it now. Then you see the way the figure will start shooting up. You can see. So you can see times 2 boosts. Now, I want to. How long can you mine, to be able to withdraw? That's the minimum withdrawal. As you can see, my Bitcoin balance here, you can see after the zero, the first zero, which shows that it's not up to 1 Bitcoin yet. Then after the decimal figure rather, there are 4 zeros. Now that is how your minimum, for you to get your minimum reward, that's how it's going to look like. That's for you to be able to withdraw. You must have 4 zeros, then any figure that comes behind maybe 1. You can see here is 0.00004 zeros, then I have 3088. That's my own balance. Then your minimum withdrawal is, after the 4 zeros, is from 1, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As you can see, my own is 3088. Now, and again, another thing again to look at again, when you look at BTC/USD, the current value, as in the current price of 1 Bitcoin in dollar, currently is $33,908.06. That is the value of 1 Bitcoin in US dollar. Then for my Nigerian viewers, please just go to your Google, because I'm more up to date with the current US dollar, except I'm going out of this my account, this video tutorial now, to go and search, open another tab to go on Google and show it to you. But I wouldn't mind, I'll do just that. But let me just make the point I'm trying to make here. Now, for you to be able to withdraw, you must have 0. That's 4 zeros, then any figure that comes after it, that is 0.00001. But as you can see here, I'm having 3, that's after the 4 zeros, and I'm having 3088. So your minimum withdrawal is 0.0001 and so forth. So now, and again, just to buttress the fact of the value of one Bitcoin in Naira, I'm opening another tab. As you can see, I'm navigating out of this. Now let me just go. Okay, very good. You can see here, this is how I've been doing my calculation. Now, so 1 Bitcoin in dollar, just wait patiently, let it boot up. Then you see the value of 1 Bitcoin in Naira. Now, this is how I've been calculating the progress, my balance. The initial balance I have just now is 3088. So if I want to know the value in Naira, I just come here, just click on this link here. So I click on it, just click on the link, the search bar here. Okay, I guess the link isn't, okay, alright. Just click back. Alright, that's my initial balance now. Okay, let me just go first. Let me go first to show you 1 Bitcoin in 100 Bitcoin. Just 1 Bitcoin is what we're looking at. 1 Bitcoin. So, because if you actually have the browser that you do your normal daily activity with, you check Facebook and all that, you watch, as in you stream videos, your normal, even browsing through the social network, you earn, but you can't compare to when we are streaming videos. So now I'm going to show you 1 BTC Oh no, this is the dollar, not dollar. It's Naira. Okay, now you can see here, now here is showing $34,022. But you see, I just left my Bitcoin account now. That one is real. That one is showing you. At times when you follow Google rates, it might not give you the current, as in the market current price. You understand? My terminal have been updated to the latest. But now what we are focusing on now is to Naira. So I'm going to type Naira there. Okay, you have Naira here. Okay, type Naira to Naira. Then you know what we're talking about. Okay, here we go. You can see it has already blocked it. It has estimated it to 12 million. Let it just load up. You can see you have 12,969,186 Naira. So that's approximately 13 million. You know, I was saying it the other time, then within 12 million, 13, 14, 15. That is the rate of one Bitcoin in Naira. And to God be the glory, what are you going to be doing with your Cryptotab browser? Certainly just normal social activity. No one is asking you go and get 13 million in Naira to get one Bitcoin. No, whatever you're doing with it before you streaming videos. Now, the moment I click on this tab, you see multiple tabs which have opened. You can see here, work as Fulani, whatever, you know. There are a lot of links here. There are a lot of videos. These are the things I do basically. I get information, I watch videos, documentary. As I'm doing these things, I'm earning. Now the secret which I applied to my account is promoting my referral affiliate link. Another thing, I'm back on my balance now. You can see this is my balance now. The page I left off. If I went to show you the value of one Bitcoin in Naira. Now another thing again is I want to show you my active miners, the number of persons in my network. Now I have 665 referrals in the region of Nigeria. I have 105 active miners. Now let me go and check the mining network. That's globally all the referrals out of the 665 globally, the active miners. Now I'm going to click on mining network. For it to load. Okay, so loading. Is it still loading? Okay, still loading. Just so patiently. Now, very good. So now this is it. Let it load up. Okay. Okay, all right. You can see now. So the active miners, global active miners, are having 256 active miners, and look on each of the levels. Now, level 1, I have 20 referrals with one active miner. Level 2, 37, 0. Nobody's online there. Level 3, 56. Nobody's active online. Level 4, 332. I have 5 active miners. Level 5, 145. I have 3 active miners. Level 6, 40 referrals with one active miner. Level 7, 13 with 0. Level 8, 15 with 0. Level 7, 0. So the active miners globally are 256 active miners. So thank you very much, and I hope I've been able to the minimum withdrawal, so which is back on my my balance, which is this. And another thing I'm going to do very quickly is the value. If you want to calculate the value as you're mining, you know, the value of Bitcoin supersedes Naira by far. So what they are saying now here is, after the decimal place called Satoshi, just like we have our own Naira. This is Satoshi. Now if you want to know, okay, what's the value of this Satoshi in Naira, so you just come here, you open another tab, then I already have it. I think where's the okay, yeah, you come here. Now this is what my balance looks like. Let it put up. Now what I have here is this. Now this is the calculator here. What I have is not up to 1 Bitcoin. So what I have is 0.1, 2, 3, 4, 30, 58. As you can see, that's the value in Naira. The value is 400 Naira 49 kobo. As you can see, let me show you so that you see it. Now the value, what you see here is what I have. Look at it, look at the calculator, look at the value. This is exactly what I have here. Okay, it's even 989. So initially it was 88 to 89. You can see it now. So thank you, viewers. So for your minimum withdrawal, once you have after the decimal point you have 40, then the next figure, which is 1, from 1 upward, that's your minimum withdrawal. Thank you very much. Please kindly like, share and make comments.